Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. The last day I was out in the enduro bike, I had a little look at a section that I thought would be perfect for the CB500X. It's a bit technical, it's a bit steep, and there's a lot of loose stones. But other than that, it should be perfectly fine. So I'm just going to get the drone set up. There's quite a lot of bushes, so I'm not entirely sure how much drone footage I'll get. Alright, so I was just talking to the fellow there who lost his dog, so if I see him, I'll give him a ring. It's funny because when he came up to me, I thought he was going to give out to me, because that's usually the first reaction of any walkers. So luckily not. Okay, I need to concentrate here. Hope the drone makes it. This isn't really a place to stop. Oh. How's it going?
The lady lost the dog in the forest.
Yeah, I was just talking to a guy, so I have his number, so if I see him, I'll give him a shout. This is a pretty cool place. That looks a bit more fun here. It's a pretty good run. So right now I think I'm going to just have to hope that the drone is going to follow me, because every time I look down to look at the screen, I kind of seem to be running myself into a little bit of trouble, and I'm not really able to concentrate on where I'm supposed to be going. I noticed in the last video I was breathing very heavily, which I don't seem to be doing now. I got COVID, very, very mild, but it kind of still knocked me out a bit from a tiredness point of view. And I think that was probably, last week was probably me building back up a bit of fitness after COVID. This is getting a little rocky. So we are pretty rocky here. That looks interesting. Oh, right. Getting too cocky now for myself. So that's another path for another day. I think this one's going to be a bit more fun. The path less travelled and all that. Mr. Frost. Seems to be quite a few bikes here and quite a few walkers here as well, and they seem to get along, which is the way it should be. I mean, mutual respect. I mean, if you're on a bike, slow down when you're going past walkers. It can be intimidating, just the sounds and everything, especially for people that aren't used to. Hey fella! Hey fella! I just saw your dog. I'm just coming down a path, right? It's exactly where I met you. I was coming back down to a path there. Now I was calling him and he wouldn't come to me. Okay, no problem. Hopefully you get him in it. Alright, thanks, bye. I just called your man a woman. What can I say? He answered the phone, sounded like a woman. Nope, just a guy out of breath. So, I hope he gets his dog. He's very close to it, so it should all work out pretty well. Okay, so back on the path again. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any comments, let me know. If you'd like to see more or less of any particular thing besides me trying to kill myself on my bike, let me know. And thanks for watching.